I could get used to midnight sunset.
I could get used to late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drives.
Thank you!
Place.
Talaga yung taga-Korea.
Be fighting just for the hell of it, and you putting up with it, 'cause you love me to bits. Late nights dancing.
Totoo ba? Bumili ka ng ticket na 4 minutes na lang aalis na. Dumating kami dito around 3:32, 3:30 something. And the next train is 3:39. Grabe, aabot kami.
3:36 pa lang.
Itong 4. Car number 5. Pasok na lang kami, guys. Car number 3. Wow. Welcome to ITX. It's my first time. I made it.
누가 빛을 담은 이런 동작 운명이라고 말할까 너나
Finally in Suwon. Super random. Wala to sa plano namin. As in, wala sa plano namin mag-Suwon anytime soon. Pero, nagising kami, tapos meron akong work. Sabi namin, what if mag-Suwon tayo? Huwag tayo mag-film. Wow! I think this is a must visit, no? So, ang pinin namin is Hwasong. Hwasong Fortress. Nandito kami bigla. Ganda. Dito kami binaba. Pero yung mga dinaanan namin, okay na eh. Parang pwede na dun eh. Wow! Ganda. This is my first time here. Ang ganda ng vibe. Sobrang peaceful. Para siyang Anggok Station na parang Boksunhanok, na Cheonggyecheon Stream, na Yeonnam-dong. Actually, it's a different vibe din. Pero sobrang parang nakakataas ng happy hormones. Ang sarap pakinggan ng tubig, oh. Welcome to Suwon, everyone. We rode an ITX train. It's just 30 minutes from the Seoul station. So, around 4,800 won, around 200 pesos, I think, yung pamasahe. To be here, I think sulit. What if? What if pag-move ako dito? So, this is it. Ito pala yung likod, guys. And I think pwedeng umakyat dun sa taas. There's a lot of locals are chilling over there. Umakyat-akyat lang kami. Actually, hindi pa kami kumakain. Ganda naman dito. Look at this place. Ganda, guys. Huh? Parang walang justice yung camera sa vibe na binibigay niya. Wow. Parang dito na yata ako bibili. Uy, charot, joke lang. Hindi pa kami kumakain. Parang financier pa lang yung nakakain ko for today's video. So, naghahanap kami ng makakainan ni June. Pero, wala yata kaming plano maghanap sa internet. Gusto ko yung madadaanan. Bebo! My beloved summer. Oh, my beloved summer, oh. Nagpunta dito si leading lady, oh. Ang cute! Okay, so we found this restaurant. And feeling namin sikat siya. So, nung sinerch ko, sikat nga siya. Annyeonghaseyo. Ang cute, babe. It's giving home. Ang cute. Inaalagaan siya ni Lon. Tinatanggalan ng baka. They gave us side dish. Ito hindi ko parang siyang lumpia. Ay, hindi. Puto. Ay, hindi. Matigas siya. Cracklings pala. And this one is parang, I think, lamang loob ng chicken. Tsaka, bigyan kami ng seaweed. Tapos, iba yung rice nila dito. Parang lasang binato. Tapos, malagkit. Meron tayong tatlong sauce. I think this is wasabi according to June. Hot sauce and then salt with sesame seeds. Okay, and this is the chicken. Hindi natin kayang ubusin. Sobrang dami, guys. Wow. sabihin sa BHC. Sorry. Oh my God, guys. I would say 5 stars sa cooking. Winner, chicken dinner. Isa sa mga best fried chicken for me to be. Wala akong mic kanina, so ngayon paparinig ko sa inyo. Sobrang perfect golden brown, saktong juiciness, simple, saktong saltiness, saktong kick ng pepper. Sabi nila, ay, nag-review. I can live without fried chicken, pero ito masarap to. Proud akong i-recommend. Tapos nakakatuwa pa si Lolo tsaka si Lola. Maalaga sila. Mahilig talaga sa fried chicken. I think dapat nasa bucket list nyo si Lola. Wow, ito yung mga inaano nila, guys. Pwede ibenta, oh. O paano mo naman iuwi sa Pinas?
22,000 na yung food natin.
18,000 nga yun. Tapos rice.
Ba't ganun?
Oh my God, sobrang mura niya. Kasi 24 pieces yung manok, guys. Hindi namin kinayang ubusin. May natirang 7 pieces.
My baby, tell me now 이젠 매일 같은 시간 속에 나 이 자리에서 돌아오지 않는 너의 메아리를 기다려 Let me know if you have the same feelings
Uy, ang ganda dito. Oh my God. Parang i-rate ko yung Suwon a 10 out of 10 today. Maakyat lang. Ang ganda dito, guys. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Grabe. Wow. Parang iniisip ko maghanap ng place dito. Sobrang peaceful, sobrang relaxing. Parang nawala lahat ng stress sa heart ko. So, ito pala yung sinasabi nila na away from the city. Ang saya. Maghanap tayo ng apartment dito if meron. And sana mas mura. Isipin mo, guys, so, dyan tayo nagre-rent. Ay, winner. 3 hours in Suwon is over. We're back in the train station. Ta-da!
No one can truly see inside 너만의 I understand you 살며시 숨을 보내도
I am planning to share with you my top contenders or my top apartments during our apartment hunting days. Hindi ko talaga siya shinare dun sa apartment hunting video kasi I don't want your comments to be biased. And your comments are really helpful for me, your messages. It really helps with my decision making and oo nga no, ganun ako sa mga comments nyo sometimes. So, thank you guys for all your messages. As of speaking, I still haven't signed an apartment yet, but I have my top contenders that I want to share today. And actually today, meron pa akong isang inaantay na apartment na kapag nag-reply, titingnan natin siya. Kapag hindi siya nag-reply, it's a sign. Yun na yun. Okay? Let's go! Get ready with me! Honestly guys, if money is not an issue, I would easily go for apartment number 3. I really like the neighborhood. It's near Yeonnam-dong pa din. I love Yeonnam. Although the rooms are colorful like blue, pink, green. Ang cute ng kitchen. The space is sakto. It has an elevator. Ang cute na may pine trees sa living area, which pag winter, I can only imagine sobrang cozy and cute and warm. But the deposit is just too much and it turns out it's not pet friendly. Sayang. Sayang na sayang talaga yun. I also like yung Gangnam, yung maganda, yung para akong anak ng Chaebol. I like yung 2-bedroom unit niya, which is much more expensive than the 1-bedroom that we saw. Another, if money is not an issue, I also like yung nasa Gangnam. It feels like I'm a princess. Kunin ko siguro yung 2 or 3-bedroom nun, which is a lot more expensive than the 1-bedroom itself. And ang mahal na ng 1-bedroom, diba? Actually, yung 1-bedroom is kapresyo netong apartment natin na to, which is this one is 3-bedroom. So, parang feeling ko, hindi siya ganun ka-worth it. And I'm not sure if I'm ready to live in Gangnam, knowing that the whole area is high-end and expensive. Today, I'm just waiting for a text message. Ayan! Ay, nag-miss call pala siya. Kung anong oras kami pwede magkita. Nag-reply siya! Would you like to come at 4 o'clock? Okay. We're heading out. Sobrang weird ng weather dito sa Korea. Mainit, umuulan, mainit, umuulan. Just using this sunblock. Super okay niya sa summer weather ng Korea. I feel like it's really perfect for oily skin because it has that demi-matte finish. But as a dry skin girly, I feel like my skin is also moisturized. And nahahappy akong gamitin siya kasi I know that it's much more affordable. Kasi I'm using sunscreen every single day. And in a day, I reapply sunscreen 2 to 3 times. So, gastos talaga mag-sunscreen. Ako ay natutuwa na may mas affordable akong option right now. You know what I like about this? It has that cooling effect. Very subtle, very mild, but super soothing. The cooling effect really helps. So I can only imagine sa Philippines, this will really work. Using this since they send this as a PR gift. Actually guys, yung mga pinagkakatiwalaan kong nagre-review ng mga sunscreen, ng mga makeup, ng mga skincare, sobrang highly raved din nila to. So I can really understand why they like this. So this is how it looks like on my skin. It's not greasy, it's not shiny. Anyway, I'm proceeding with my foundation. And I'm using this Dior. I like spending on my makeup base kasi naniniwala ako na yung makeup base yung pinaka-importante. This is a top-notch foundation. I really like it. And I'm not using any moisturizer or primer kasi the sunscreen is already a good base. Pag summer guys, mas gusto ko na konti lang yung nakalagay sa skin ko. Kaya hindi na rin ako nag-moisturizer or nag-primer. Gonna be visiting the unit. Tingnan natin guys kung masama ko pa to sa apartment hunting natin. Kasi upload ko na yung apartment hunting tonight. Naka-ready na siya actually. Pero try ko ihabol. Another strong contender sa apartments is of course the one in Mapo area. If you remember, yung maganda, yung malalaki yung windows. Honestly, sobrang like ko siya. But the problem is, I'm not sure if I'm ready to accept the fact na wala akong private bedroom. If I have visitors, which is usually, nagkakaroon talaga ako ng visitors once in a while, especially my parents and friends. Paano yun? Diba? Walang parang room yung bisita or ako wala akong room. Wala talagang perfect na apartment right now. I feel like it will really take time. Kaya pala yung iba pag nag-apartment hunting, sobrang tagal. Like 6 months before they move, they are already looking at apartments. Kasi at least alam na nila ano yung building na gusto nila. So aabangan na nila yon, something like that. Alam niyo yun? Ay, wala na to. This is my second stick of this Duo Contour Stick. It's from Art Class. Popular siya dito sa Olivia. And I like it. It's easy to glide, easy to use, easy to blend, lahat na. Just in case you're looking for a contour. Actually, super love ko pa rin si hindi ko pa rin siya tinatapon. Si Strokes pa rin yung favorite ko, which is available in the Philippines. You can buy. Pero dahil wala si Strokes, I'm settling for what's available here in Korea. Ito na lang yung makeup ko. Very simple lang kasi I just wanna look presentable. But parang everyday makeup. Now let's spray some Dalba. Nagchat-chat na. Ang daming nagchat-chat! Ito na! Ito na po. Let's go.
I can see, I can feel you from a million miles away. Like the earth moves with every step.
Ooh! Wow! Nice! Merong terrace? Wow!
And then, kitchen.
Nice! Good space. Done with our last apartment. This is the building that we checked. Actually, it's nice, it's new, but hindi ito yung nasa listing and it's not what I'm expecting to see. And when I asked the broker if pwede ko bang makita yung in-inquire ko, sabi niya hindi yun available and baka hindi tanggapin yung foreigner. So, I'm kinda sad kasi nabasa ko na yung ganitong experience na parang iba yung nasa listing kasi iba ka dadalhin because it turns out hindi na yun available or something. We went here instead. It's still nice, super duper nice, we can consider sana, but bawal ang pet. So, cannot be borrow one. That's it. We're going home and we're gonna decide. I went to Daiso kanina. Tagpa yung damit ko. Naglalakad ako sa Yonam na baliktad yung damit ko to buy this. Oh my God, baliktad yung damit ko. Baliktad yung damit ko, guys. Gusto ko mag-prepare ng mini welcome kit for them. Nakaka-happy lang gumawa ng mga welcome kit sa mga bisita. So, ayun, let's prepare mini lang naman na parang self-care kit full of Korean beauty products that I really love, my favorites, something na hindi ako mapapahiya, and I feel like ito yung mga lagi kong sinasuggest sa loved ones ko. So, a lot of people, kapag pupunta sila ng Korea, lagi ako mini-message, ano yung masasuggest ko sa Olive Young. And one thing that I always tell them is Biodance face mask. Tada! Meron ako ng iba't ibang kulay. If you remember, nung bumisita si Cristel Uni dito, nilagyan ko rin yung drawer niya doon ng Biodance face mask kasi feeling ko magugustuhan niya talaga. So, I always give my visitors this face mask. I'll give them one of each. Meron tayong niacinamide, sea kelp, ayan. But my favorite is actually yung collagen. We have this for sharing na basket for everyone. Ito ilalagay ko sa room nila. Ito is for everyone. Sa toilet to nakalagay or somewhere. Ayan. Number 2 on my list, I think this product, I will never ever get tired of sharing, promoting. I've been using this for more than a year now. I've known this for years. 10 out of 10, it really works for me. I've noticed ever since using this, wala na talaga akong dandruff. Consistently using it, wala akong hair fall, hair loss, yung parang yung mga buhok sa suklay, umiwas na talaga siya. Wala naman kayong mga ganong klaseng problem. The fact that this is a scalp strengthening, for me, is already a good self-care or hair care item. Kasi feeling ko, ni-skip talaga yung hair care. More on skincare lang tayo. But I'm a firm believer na kapag pangit yung hair ko, parang feeling ko pangit ako. So, I really want my hair to be at its best. For my hair to be at its best, dapat okay and healthy yung scalp ko. This one, I will give this and ilalagay ko sa kanilang basket. Yes, I also got them this hair oil. Kasi pansin nyo yung hair ko, guys. Tingnan nyo. Parang naturally, parang shiny siya and healthy kahit na matagal na akong hindi nagtitreatment. Super okay itong hair oil na to. Pag damage yung hair nyo, okay siya. So, naisip ko baka dapat for sharing na lang tong hair oil kasi hindi ko sure. Pero lalagay ko na lang siya dito pag kailangan nila. Parang 1 month ko na tong gamit kasi naghanap ako ng hair oil. Look, 1 month plus na pero parang hindi pa siya nababawasan. This is how it looks like. Before styling your hair or after drying your hair, you can put this hair oil. It's just really like the usual hair oil, but sobrang gaan ng hair ko. I swear, I don't know how to show you guys, but this is my hair. See? Wala akong ginawa dyan. Wala akong nilagay kundi hair oil lang. It looks really healthy. It looks really good. And it smells really nice. Napansin ko kasi yung mga hair oil like Fino from Japan, mas greasy siya and mas mahirap i-handle. But I really like this as well. But this one, perfect. 10 out of 10 yung kanyang formula for me. One of the best hair oil na na-try ko so far. Kasi tingnan nyo, after using, parang hindi greasy yung kamay ko. Pero at the same time, yung hair ko parang hindi rin oily. It's just healthy. And it smells really good. Hindi siya masakit sa lalamunan na smell. So, yun. Nilagay na natin dito. Baka gusto nila. Next, we have toner pads. One thing I can't live without ever since moving here in Korea are toner pads. Sobrang na-love ko yung toner pads. I'm excited to try other brands. But I got yung Biodance Ceranol and this Sea Kelp. Lagay ko sila dito din for them to use. And since it's summer, I wanna give them sunscreen. Pero this is actually a PR gift from this brand. So, nahiya naman akong ibigay. And I feel bad kasi nagagandahan talaga ako dito. So, feel ko i-share ko na lang sa aming everyone can use basket. I also bought shampoo and conditioner. And actually, gusto ko mag-try ng ibang shampoo conditioner. Pero ito na lang din yung binili ko. Kasi, ito yung sure ako na okay for every person. Diba? Iba-iba naman tayo ng hair type, ng scalp type, and whatever. Ito kasi parang treatment siya and parang healthy-healthy, ganun. Healthy-healthy! Improve scalp and hair health. So, yung iba kasi doon parang pang shiny, pang lengthen ng hair, pang bouncy, diba? Ganun yung mga shampoo. So, this one, it targets yung scalp and hair health. So, parang for me, better to have this instead. So, these are my everyday, parang everyone and anyone can use basket that I will put sa aming common area. Yung toner pads, for sharing na. Kasi, hindi ko alam anong gusto nila. Sila na bahala kung anong ganap nila sa life. And I also want to give them my favorite Dalba First Spray Serum. Ito, yung mini lang. Ito yung malaking version, guys. This is the big version. Yan yung difference nila in size. This is pocket. At pwede nila ito ilagay sa bag nila. Kasi summer ngayon, so ang sarap mag-spray-spray. Pero, even then, favorite ko lang talaga ang Dalba. So, this is my care package! Life update! Almost ready. Our visitors are here in a bit. June is cleaning. Hindi kasi kami nag-mop kasi parang di man kailangan. Pero parang kailangan pala. And the rooms are ready. In-update ko pala. Naglagay ako ng vitamin C. My favorite vitamin C from Olive Young. Tapos, I also got them a letter na nakatago somewhere. Short letter lang. Actually, hindi ko kasi alam kung sino yung titira dito, tapos sinong titira dito. So, hindi ko nilagyan ng name. Hello!
Hi! The king is now a queen. Ano yun? Ano sinasabi?
Ewan ko kay Marvin. Thank you!
Wait, yung akin hindi pala bukas.
Ang dami pala.
Ang cute! Masyado na piyot-piyot. Ano siya?
Ang cute na mga pasalubong nila sa akin.
Fresh from Hakata Station, Fukuoka.
Thank you!
This is yours. Hazel
Kasam
cream.
ni Da. Isend Gcash or mag-aaway tayo.
Hindi. Yun eh.
Ay, hindi na kita kakausapin simula ngayon.
Yeah.
Wala kayong breakfast bukas. Work, time check, it's already 6:53 p.m. We're heading to our dinner date today. I'm so excited! So, galing si Maki sa office, si Ivan, ikot-ikot. We're meeting for dinner and sinadjust ko tong place na to. Dito kami kumain ni Archie. And I really like this place. Isa siya sa mga best. Yung samgyeopsal, like no fail, masarap siya. And favorite to ni V of BTS. Grabe pala, ano dito? Tingnan nyo. For the hike, ang person. Nag-move tayo sa Gangnam. Ito yung mga lalakaran natin, guys. Medyo mga mamahaling restaurants. Quick look of Apgujeong area. This is an upscale neighborhood here in Gangnam. Alam mo, na-imagine ko may podcast kayong dalawa.
Sabi nga nung song.
At ang topic namin, Hazel King's apartment. Yun ang judge natin.
Oh, mas mahal pag maganda yung
Pag,
lighting.
Pag mas mataas na floor, mas mahal lagi sa Korea.
Saka tingnan mo, kapag ka kunyari mag-vlog ka dito, hindi mo na kailangan ng mga ganyang ilaw. Parang,
oo, true.
Giving na yung light. Pero maganda rin si CRO.
Oo.
Mahirap, alam mo, mahirap hulaan which one specifically. Kasi yung 4, 5, something similar, tapos itong 6 and 7, similar din. Pwede ba naka-chunk yung gitna?
Lunch. Sikat to guys sa K-drama, di ba? This is the brand. Super sikat. To the point na nakarating siya sa Japan. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Tayo ay naglalaba bago umalis. Woo!
Baby, you're my pillow, soft like dreams. 스치는 손끝마저 perfect. Now I'm perfect. Baby, I can't look back anymore. 네 품 안에서 잠든 듯해. Hug me more. 복잡해 모든 게 시간이 필요해. 시끄럽기만 해. I just wanna lay here. 쉬운 게 하나 없지 여긴 around and round. Yeah.
Wow!
would they make?
Hello, mates.
Super traffic yun.
Super traffic.
That's why I hope.
Mag-drink dapat kami. Ikaso kulang-kulang na siya.
Pero ang bumula kasi talaga, alam naman nila, okay lang ako doon. Ay, yung malimanan na okay lang.
Hindi siya okay. Nahihilo siya. Hindi siya talaga yung taga-Korea.
Madalas ka here?
Ano naman, everyone, MWF.
Ah, wow.
Totoo? Say hi! So, blackheads. Whiteheads?
White, hindi. Blackheads, acne.
Acne.
Kasi ito scar, kahit yung deep scar, nagagawa niya kasi.
Okay.
Everyday mo lang lagay. Kahit
Ano to? Considered ba to as gamot? Or
gamot
as,
kasi
gamot?
level.
Kasi pharmacy.
Hindi siya yung parang skincare.
Hindi siya cheap lang.
It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going on. Oh, wow. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stay strong. Oh, wow. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stay strong. Oh, wow. It looks like we made it.
Morning, 여러분. 안녕하세요.
Kimchi fried rice, tuna mayo, egg fried rice.
Prepare ako ng water.
Ay, oo nga.
Naiwan ko.
This is cute. Yum! Exit 4. Diyan. Tada! We're here in a BTS Army Tour. So, pupunta tayo sa mga spots na pinuntahan ng BTS or related sa BTS. Like, eto ngayon, parang ito yung sa winter package nila. So, di ba every year may winter package na nire-release si BTS. And ito yung mga concept photos nila. Yan yung mga concept photos. Dito daw shoot. And ang saya, it's giving Busan but more laid back. Ganda! Saya ko. Gusto ko makapunta sa coastal ng Korea kasi may ibang vibe eh. Aesthetic. Oh. Ayan, si Miss Maki nandito. Maki Clock!
Army.
Oh my God! Kabisado niyo yung mga songs.
Diba?
Army yan. Ayaw niya lang i-declare.
Hindi ko lang sila kilala, pero alam ko lahat ng song.
Kilala mo sila. Yan, dami mong... Ang saya ko. Ang hirap mag-content habang naglalakad. Kasi medyo baku-bakos. Medyo mahirap siya lakaran. Ito yung mismong photo spot.
1, 2, 3, kimchi!
Kimchi!
Ganda!
So this is the exact spot na nagpa-photos sila during the winter package. Ganda. Pero I would say medyo mahirap maglakad. Kahit ako natatakot ako. Yung shoes ko kasi mataas yung platform tas medyo pa-wave. That's it. We have 30 minutes here. Parang 7 minutes pa lang naman kami. That's the first BTS photo spot. And the other one na tinuturo nila is this one. Yan, sa area na yan, may photo din sila. So, this place is called Nong Pa Te. Ganda! Okay, there's another spot here. Ang sweet ng tour guide namin kasi pinipicturean niya kami isa-isa. Group photo and solo-solo. This is it! This is the spot! Ayan, dyan may nagpo-photo.
Ito na, ito na.
1, 2, 3.
I'm shy.
Another boost!
Second stop! We're here in Songcha Tourist Fish Market. And I think dito pumunta si V sa In The Soup. Dito daw siya kumain, sabi nila. Here in the market. Wow, ang hilig talaga ng Korea sa dried. Anything dried. Sarap. Masasarap. Parang sikat to dito guys, yung squid na may parang egg and parang giniling. We're walking dito sa Sokcho Market. Parang ang sarap bumili ng parang ano na, soybean paste, iba-ibang type. Yung iba parang may halong seafood. Parang perfect for jjigae or Korean soup. Masarap? Saan?
Ito masarap yung crab.
Yung gutom na kami, free taste na lang.
Sarap na? Crab, no?
Ang sarap! Ito siya, guys. So, umorder si Maki.
No, dude, that's...
Yes, let's eat. We're gonna eat. Third stop!
Init.
Summer in Korea. Gusto nyo ba?
Yes.
Masaya naman.
Mas masaya kung winter.
No.
No pawis.
Ito yung pinakasikat na bus stop. Kasi nag-shoot dito yung
Bus
BTS
stop. Hindi na siya
for
totoo.
their album.
Cover.
Yun yung cover nila. Tapos dito din shoot yung favorite song ko nga. Dun sa beach na ata na to.
Sa beach.
May clips.
Init na si Hazel King.
Hindi pa.
Di ba ba?
Hindi pala ako pawisin, no?
Hindi nga.
Lagi ka namang fresh because of...
The Alba.
Favorite.
Favorite na namin yun, guys. Nakaka-fresh talaga.
Binigyan kami ni Hazel ng The Alba.
Bakit bigla tayo nag-product ano dito? Hindi po to sponsor.
namin na maganda talaga siya.
Wow, ang ganda naman ng beach. I love. Nakaka-happy. Parang babalik ako dito ng winter.
Diba?
Winter talaga to.
Feeling ko
dapat
it's a vibe.
ginagawa.
We have this. Ano to? July.
Check the basket.
Yes. Kailangan kumayad pala. Guys, i-click nyo na yung YouTube. Affiliate ko.
shopping na.
Pero
Parang may
wala,
pambayad
pero
ako
wala
ng
ka
rent.
namang pores eh.
Anong porn?
Wala ka namang
Ganda, guys, ang ganda ng
pinaka-pawisan.
skin ni Hazel in real life.
Oo.
Binobola nila tayo. Ikakat ko na to,
Eh,
guys.
kasi, ano mo yun eh, YouTube mo yun.
YouTube ko to. Tama ako dito.
ka siya.
Tama siya dito.
Oo, eto guys, may sand. Ayan guys, yung famous bus stop ng BTS. Sobrang dream kong makapunta dito. Hindi ako makapaliwanag, dito na ako. We lined up lang. So, we can take a photo. Ang saya, nagka-camping sila dito.
Alam mo, hindi mainit pag walang sun.
Actually,
Like, pag
dito, malamig, no?
Malamig.
Super lamig, no joke. As
So,
in,
it's really the sun.
cool yung hair. Cool yung air. Wind.
Air, earth, and fire.
Tapos may music na nagpe-play, naririnig mo.
Yun yung team song, ah.
Kaya nga. Ang galing.
Spring Day yung name ng song.
One, two, three.
I saw you from across the room.
Uy, ang ganda ng vibes.
May sabihin ako kay June. Siya mag-edit ito,
Oo, siya.
June, this month is not your month anymore. This month is July.
Ang bait mo, tumatawa ka. Natawa ka talaga. Fourth stop. Ganda. Annyeonghaseyo.
Yogi, ano?
Yogi na.
Yogi na Samyang Round Hill. Tama, diba?
Oo, ikaw daw sa kanila, Miss Maki.
So, yung Samyang, alam niyo yung noodles, guys? Na
Yung
Samyang. Oo, sila may-ari daw nito. Tapos hinayaan, they allowed BTS to shoot yung winter package nila here. So, ayan, may paano na siya. Tapos, guys, malamig, legit. Sunny, pero malamig.
True.
So, kung walang sun to, oh my God, it's gonna
Guys,
be
comment down
shivering.
below kung gusto ng YouTube channel ni Miss Maki. Gagawa siya.
Meron siya.
Meron siya,
The Maki
actually.
Cupid.
Please guys, support niyo siya. Walking na kami. Going to, I think, sa mga sheep. Ganon. Usually, every Wednesday daw, they have performance. Parang ganon. Pero since it's not Wednesday today, hindi siya available. It feels like New Zealand. Tama si Miss Maki. New Zealand. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. I can imagine kapag spring and autumn, super ganda siguro nung weather. Ngayon kasi super init, so parang tirik yung araw. So parang feel mong, ganon. Diyan na kami maglalakad. Ganda naman ng lakaran na to.
Alika, maglakad ka dyan. I could get used to midnight sunset, my place. I could get used to
Stop! Ganda kapag winter. Wow!
in 2000. Crash
Son
Landing.
Ye-jin
Yeah,
eh!
Legends movie. Yeah, she filmed here.
Oh!
Yeah.
Dito daw nag-film si Son Ye-jin.
Yeah, so Ye-jin 3.
Nice. Welcome to the Lovers Cornetto Tree. Ito daw yung shooting location ng movie ni Son Ye-jin. Wow. And dito, may ship. Ganda dito guys. Sobrang worth it magpunta. Nakaka-happy. Feel ko perfect autumn or winter tour.